Hello, everyone, and welcome to Friday Celebration Assembly. I'm really excited about the winners of our awards this week, and I love sharing all the successes we've had. So we'll start with our Going for Gold awards. First, we have in Leeds class, Ariane for joining in with actions to a song. We also have Eliza for trying hard to use the toilet. In York 1, we have Jax for great maths work all about the number 6. And Harper CD for writing the capital letter H for Harper all by herself. In York 2, we have Amelia for amazing Fred talking and even learning how to read words when it's Fred in your head time. And Billy gets this for recognizing numbers easily and knows how they can be represented in pictures and with objects. In whole class, we have Arthur for using his voice to tell us how he's feeling, and Mark for great maths work when using a number line. In Nottingham class, we have Philippe for always trying his best with all his work, and Ofe for working hard in maths. In Liverpool class, we have Samuel for showing a really good positive attitude, and Bailey for his incredible writing. In Cardiff class, we have Katie for using lovely maths vocabulary to explain her answer. In Edinburgh, we have Lilia for her superb writing this week to describe a setting in Journey. And Michael for superb effort during swimming this week. In Cambridge, we have Katie for showing lots of interest and positivity in geography this week, and Goran for being a kind and considerate friend. In London class, we have Addison for trying hard with fractions of amounts, and Poppy for working hard to understand the English and maths this week. In Oxford class, we have Tommy for displaying excellent skills when using an atlas, and Jacob P. for displaying excellent skills when using an atlas as well. And in Bakewell class, we have Leah for using her words and BSL. Well done to all of our children. And as always, we give them a real big clap. Excellent. I always like hearing about this. Now we have the Year of Knowing Me awards. First, we have in Leeds class, Barry for super effort in all he does all day long. And Arthur for his independence when arriving at and leaving nursery. In York class, we have Annalise for telling a trusted adult that she was hurting, and Cassidy for persevering with her name writing practice. In York 2, we have Tywa for always working hard and being a kind and caring member of the class, and Russell for persevering with his number work. Russell can now recognize numbers to 5. In whole class, we have Jake for trying hard to think about his handwriting, and Macaulay for always having a positive attitude. In Nottingham class, we have Loki for always having a positive attitude, and Ruby for being a kind, sensible, and friendly member of the class. In Liverpool class, we have Mia for being really brave this week, and Nevaeh gets it for the same thing, for being really brave. In Cardiff class, we have Morgan for her excellent attitude and listening skills in PE. In Edinburgh class, we have Simi for always working hard and joining in with enthusiasm, and Daisy for reflecting brilliantly on what she needs to support her during the day. In Cambridge class, we have Holly for working well in a team in PE, and Zach for persevering with his reading. It is great to see him enjoying a book. In London class, we have Alan for great self-control and concentration, and Joshua for being proud of the models he made at home and sharing this with the class. In Oxford class, we have Oscar for making good choices when things are getting a bit tricky, and Tyler for being more willing to ask for help when it's needed. Well done to all of our children for excellent work. Give them a big hand. Wow, what a fantastic week we had, and I'm really proud of all of you. Make sure you have a lovely weekend. Read your books, get some rest, and be ready for another fantastic week at Newlands next week. Have a good one. Bye.